Well, there she is. 69 Charger. Cale Yarborough replica. If you're a Dukes of Hazzard fan, you'll know what I'm talking about. We'll just take a quick walk around. Got 14-inch vectors. I need some new tires. This is original paint. The roof had a vinyl top, but it had been pulled off. It was bubbling up, so I really need to fix it. Do need some rear tires, but just giving you before I get it off of the trailer. Look at that. That's all factory. Now it's got a new exhaust, of course. Originally a 318 car. It is now 440. It's even got the coils I put on in '97. Eight and 3/4. It's not a sure grip. Little bubble right there, but I do have the other trim. Bent one of my bumperettes. And if you're wondering how I bent that bumperette, I like to call pulling a Roscoe. And this side's bubbling up. And it's starting to, it's not through. I really need to fix that before it gets worse. And here's what your corners should look like. That's factory. That's how it was built in, what, 68, I guess. These tires are all dry rotted. So I'm not going to be driving it till I get some new ones. And here's where I pulled a Roscoe. Took out a mailbox, sliding around a corner. Yeah, I know, stupid, right? But it's only a car. It's just a 69 Charger, right? Yeah, I know, it sucks. But let's look underneath. It is going to need some floor pans. But there's a little emblem. We'll get it off the trailer. We'll get an inside look at it. Front end here. Got the water runs down here. Look at that grill. One little ding right there. But she's perfect. All right, let's get it off of the trailer. Okay. Had to go get the key. I should have got the microphone. All right, we got her off the trailer. Here's the inside. With the exception of the backs of the seats here, That's original, and it's leather inserts because this is an SE. Get the wood grain dash, pedal dress up. Back seat is original. It's ripped over there, but the rest of it, as it left the factory. Door panels, the dash, no headliner. I took it out. Package tray is shot, but let's see here. Yeah, there's my floor patch. I'll get to it. I'll have to get some pieces for it. I'm gonna redo the gauge cluster. He added those down there so I'd have gauges, because nothing up there works. It's a factory AC car, which everything is missing. Got the buddy seat, column shift, door panels are original. There's the roof is all eaten up from the vinyl top, which stinks. Let me get the key. I'm gonna clean out the trunk here. I got some stuff back here. I need to put the trim on the rear window. Check that out. Light still works. Got the jack. Look at that trunk, solid. There might be some little rust holes down here, but I don't think so. The original air cleaner. 318 2 barrel if anybody needs one. The floor is solid. Well, down there a little bit right there. Just patch that up. All the signatures from the Dukes cast. Only one I need John Schneider and Ben Jones. And if I can get any of the stunt guys, that'd be nice too. But I got Rick Hurst, Jeb Stewart Duke, Chris Hensel, Sonny Schroyer, Daisy Duke, Sheriff Little, Lindsay Bloom and her husband Mafe, Tom Cemento, and Wopact. So I need a few more, but maybe someday. Yeah, so you had the SE emblems. Right here is the biggest issues. That on the hood. All right, let's see what this 440 looks like. Under the hood is all original. And something to remember when you guys are restoring your cars. This should be black. A lot of guys paint it body color. That's so when you look through the grill, you don't see body color, especially if it's a different color than white. Or for the general E-builders. Same thing with the doors. But I'm going to go with aftermarket AC. Probably over the winter and the spring. I'm not going to do it now because I'm not going to be driving the car all that much. It does have a disc brake swap up front from a 73 Duster. So, all that patina. Anyway, we're going to take it for a little ride here in a bit. Just up and down the road till I can get some new tires for it. But I got some wiring to do. I've got headlights, brake lights, no tail lights. So I got to do a little checking in case I'm out in a torrential downpour. Duralast. They didn't last sitting around. It is going to be hot and muggy today, boy. Check this out. Let me get this. Let me come over here. Wasn't that pretty neat of a guy to give this to me? He left it in the car. His name's Steve. cool. I appreciate that, Steve. And those of you that remember this episode, Cale had this box mounted right here. And then when Bo and Luke were driving it, and he said when that red light comes on, which is just I can wire it up, but it's not. But I said when that, go watch the episode. When that red light comes on, flip the switch and run it again. No idea what that meant. But anyway, that's my little Cale box. We can stick that right there. Look at that. Just cover that up. If that light comes on, run it again. Even my map light still works. So does my dome light. Look at that right there, the buggers. I need a new headliner. Those visors, look at that. All moldy. This needs a good cleaning. I should have my dash redone. The glove box, right down there in the back seat, or floorboards. There's a cake panel. The other one's in the trunk. Well, alrighty then. Let's get ready to go for a little ride. Phew! It is warm today. Driven this car in 7 years.